What is up, guys? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Chair just squeaked. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much how to build an NPC house, or I guess you can make it in your house, but an NPC house, or some of you guys, just may call it just like a starter house. So I'm gonna just use this this long bridge here just to show you guys. So first, what you're gonna want to do is go ahead and get some wood, right? Obtain some wood, and now I have 999. Wood is the only item you're gonna need, right? You're gonna need to craft stuff. Hold on, sorry about the mobs. You're gonna need to craft stuff with the wood, but technically it's gonna be the only thing you need. So first thing that you want to do is start off by building a 9 by 7 building, I guess, which I always make mine bigger just because I like them, but that's the minimum, 9 by 7, which I'll show you guys the real page from Terraria Wiki on screen right now. But yeah, that right there is the page of pretty much where I got this information from. Terraria Wiki's link will be in the description. I do recommend their website. It's just so, like, if you ever have questions about the game, go to Terraria Wiki. Link in the description. It's so helpful. But yeah, so first thing that you're going to want to do, we can do like 10 by, I don't know, we'll just see. So we're up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, and then let's go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll go 12, 11, 12, right? This is 10 by 12, or, yeah, 10 by, yeah, 10 by 12. Lowest is, hold on, I have to, sorry about that. Lowest is, yeah, so lowest is 9 by 7, I think, but I'm just going to make mine somewhat bigger, just a little bit. So first thing that you're going to want to do is craft a workbench, which is pretty much what you're going to need for everything else, right? Then you're going to want to craft a door, right? Place the door in front of the house, just like so. You can place them on either side. It doesn't matter which one. I'll just place them on both sides for me, so you can go in and out, on either side, right? Once you've done that, you're going to want to get your wooden wall, right? You're going to want to craft, I usually just craft more. I mean, you can craft them back into wood if you do have some extra, but don't worry, the walls probably are going to get outside of your house just like they did right there. And I know it is annoying, but don't worry, you can fix that with a hammer, which I don't even know if I have a hammer right now, but I can get one and I can fix it. So this is what it should look like when you're done, right? Now what you're going to want to do is get a chair, right? And put your chair down. Right, now put it right next, well, I don't know if it has to be right next to it, but I always put it right next to my workbench. Like, you can sit down at the chair and use the workbench. I don't know, that just looks cool to me. Now, what you're going to want to do is add a torch. It doesn't even matter how many torches. I usually just do this, like that, and boom, you're done with your house. And we can check housing query, I think, I don't know. Housing is suitable, so some NPC can move in. Hopefully I can show you guys an NPC moving in, but I don't know if I'm eligible for one yet. And if you guys don't know how to even get NPCs, or you don't know what that is, again, Terraria Wiki, best website out there for new players. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you have an NPC house. And it was pretty easy, so I hope you guys, enjoyed this, you found this useful. Tell me other ideas, if you have any suggestions on what else I should help you with. If you need help with anything, comment down below, and I can either make a video about it or just reply to your comment. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and bye.